Now, an 8 on your side consumer report. When it comes to healthy foods, most people think the more the better, right?
Right, but data shows you can have too much of a good thing. Avery Cotton joins us now with how much is too much when it comes to eating well.
Good morning. I found this one pretty interesting. Consumer Reports tells you that even fruits and vegetables need to be eaten in moderation. Trying to follow a healthy diet, that's great, but Consumer Reports nutrition experts say you can overdo some healthy foods, even fruits and veggies. Best is to eat a wide variety of them. Sticking to just a few may mean you don't get all the nutrients you need, and you could get too much of some. For instance, foods with beta-carotene, the orange pigment plentiful in vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes, supply the body with vitamin A and help fight cell damage. But eat too many of them and your skin can turn orangey. Cut back and that color will fade. Many fruits and veggies are packed with fiber, as are beans and whole grains. But upping your fiber intake too much too soon can cause gas and bloating. And too much fiber overall may block the absorption of some nutrients.
It's always best to get your fiber from foods that contain it naturally. Foods that are fortified with fiber may be more likely to cause stomach upset.
On to protein like meat, chicken, fish, and tofu. More is better, right?
In some people, too much protein can stress the kidneys and liver and may increase the risk of osteoporosis.
It's pretty easy to get the right amount of protein just by eating well-balanced meals. No need to add fortified foods like protein bars. For most people, eating 3 servings of protein-rich foods daily, including non-meat items like yogurt and quinoa, is enough. And Consumer Reports says that most healthy people who eat a wide variety of whole foods won't need vitamin and mineral supplements. Overuse of those can also lead to potential problems. So talk to your doctor before taking any type of nutritional supplement. And we have even more information for you on the story posted right now on WFLA.com. I found the carrots one interesting because I eat baby carrots almost every day, and a lot of them.
Yeah. Well, there you go.
Yep.
Just too much of a good crunch there.
Can't have any orange skin.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Avery.
In an 8 on your side medical report, stomach pain is something we've all